In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Binance account. As you might know, protecting your account is crucial in today's digital age, and enabling 2FA adds an extra layer of security to keep your assets safe. So, let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the account icon. This is going to lead you to your account dashboard, which is where you manage your account details and security settings. Next, look for the Security tab. It's typically located along the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will present you with a range of security options. Here is where you'll find the two-factor authentication section. Within this section, you'll see two 2FA options, SMS authentication and Google authentication. For our walkthrough today, we're going to use Google authentication since it's often considered the more universally accessible and secure option. Before you can enable Google authentication, you'll need to download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. It's available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Go ahead and download the app now. When you're ready, return to your Binance account on your computer screen. On the Binance website, click on the Enable button next to the Google Authentication option. You'll see a QR code appear on your screen. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone and tap on the sign to add a new account. You can choose to either scan the QR code on the screen or enter the setup key provided manually. The app will create a 6-digit code for your Binance account. It's important to note that this code will refresh every 30 seconds, so you'll always have a fresh security code. Now, head back to your Binance account, where you'll be prompted to enter both your login password and the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app. Once entered, click Submit. I recommend taking a moment to write down the 16-digit backup key that Binance provides. This backup key will be crucial if you ever need to recover your account or reinstall the app. Keep it safe, perhaps in a secured physical location, to ensure you can always access it when needed. With that, you've successfully enabled 2FA on your Binance account using Google Authenticator. Now, each time you log in or perform certain actions, you'll be asked for the code from your Authenticator app. This ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without your phone and the unique code it generates. Stay secure, and thank yourself for making your Binance account much safer. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time.